Hi everybody, I'm Jessie, and I'm so excited for you to join me today for this really fun personalized clipboard project. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my tape and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna block off areas where I want my paint to cover. So just using my blue painter's tape, I'm gonna rip off a piece and place it down on my clipboard. Make sure you rub it really good, because if you don't and there's any air bubbles, especially on the edge of your tape, the paint will seep through. Just gonna go ahead and wrap that right around. And the reason I'm using the painter's tape is so that I have a nice, clean, sharp edge on where my paint is gonna end. Now, anything that is underneath your painter's tape is gonna stay the same color as your clipboard. So if you want your clipboard to 100% be a different color, go ahead and paint your clipboard the color that you want, let it dry, and then you can put the painter's tape on. And that'll give you even more color choices when you paint. Now, I wanna do this in 2 colors, so I'm gonna create 2 blocks. Perfect. My board is all prepped. Next, I'm gonna start painting. So I'm choosing to paint my board black and red because that's the color of Darth Vader and he's my favorite Star Wars character. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pour my paint in, and using a sponge brush, I'm gonna paint my 2 color blocks. All right, once you have your clipboard painted, you're gonna wanna let it set for a couple hours to make sure it's 100% dry before you go ahead and pull off that tape. This is a clipboard that my daughter helped me prep last night. And so she just wanted her clipboard to have 1 color, which is why we just did the 1 big block of color. So now it's time to take that tape off. This is where your guys' creativity comes into play. You guys can decorate your board however you want. You can doodle with paint pens. You can come up here on this part and maybe doodle with the black Sharpie. 100% up to you. That's what makes these clipboards so unique. Each one is gonna be different. My daughter is a huge anime fan, so she asked if I could put anime stickers on hers. So I'm just gonna come in with some of her favorite anime stickers and add those to the clipboard. All right, and there you have it. A really cool, 100% unique clipboard that you can use for back to school, doing your homework, or just having some coloring fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and I can't wait to see the amazing creations you guys come up with. So until next time, bye guys!